Hi everybody, this is 80 from 80 Scraps and Things. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an invisible decrease so that instead of getting these awkward looking things, you actually look something that looks like a regular stitch, but it's actually a decrease. So make sure you grab your hook, your yarn, and let's get started. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so let's talk about decreases on amigurumi. Now with amigurumi, if you haven't heard that term before, those are soft toys that are made with crochet. So you can get actually quite a lot of very fun patterns online. I'm happy to post some links so you can go and look through some of those patterns. So for this example, I'm just going to be showing you how to make those decreases, as in amigurumi you will find that most of the bodies, the heads, faces, all that kind of stuff of your soft toys will most likely be round. Now you will notice that they do start usually with a magic circle. So if you don't know how to make that magic circle, I'm going to go ahead and post a tutorial just over here. So let's go ahead and get started on these decreases. Okay, so what I noticed is that most people would learn how to do a regular decrease where you just insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and with the US terminology, so this would be a single crochet. And instead of closing that single crochet and just pulling through, for a decrease you would just go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. Now you will notice this is what causes this big looking thing over here. So in order to avoid that, instead of doing it that way, what we would do is, I'm just going to do a single one here to separate them. What you would do is start on the front loop of the first stitch, and then we're going to go to the front loop of the second stitch. Now you notice I'm not going through the top of these, I'm going through the bottom of them. Okay, from here I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through those first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, let's do this one more time. So you're going to go from under the stitch and split the V, only going through the front loop, and then we're going to go through the bottom again, splitting the V and just going through the front loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 again. So you will see, you can barely tell that you've actually decreased on those 2 stitches, unlike this one or this one. Okay, so hope that was helpful. If you did find it helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and all that good stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.